What's up guys, it's Ava and today I'm here with the man, the myth,
KOA SMITH!
In honor of my skincare brand, Coastal Citizen, launching literally this week, I thought it would be amazing to get the ocean man himself, KOA SMITH, in the building and give him my legendary face.
Let's just say it's a spa day.
I'm gonna give you a spa day.
I just want to let you know that I've never been to a spa before. What I do in Hawaii is I grab sand and I just exfoliate with sand, splash a little salt water on it, splash a little fresh water. I just like to accept that one day I'm gonna be like,
no! By the end of today, you're gonna have a full sunscreen routine. You're gonna have a full
spa routine?
A full spa routine. If you guys don't know, my skincare brand, Coastal Citizen, just launched. I thought it'd be a fun video to, I mean, you were in town. Oddly enough, like you're one of the people that inspired this brand in a way. Yes! With how conscious you are with the ocean and with this world and sustainability. So I thought it'd be, you know, a perfect video to get you in the skincare booth and do my personal skincare routine on you.
As a surfer, we are the ones that are in the ocean and we see what's washing up on the beach. You're like, that's a jellyfish. No, it's not. It's another plastic bag. Like straws, just plastic. Like.
Well, it's a good thing that Coastal Citizen is sustainable and all glass packaging.
Brought to you by Coastal Citizen.
You can find the link to everything in the description box below. Let's get it started. Okay.
I'm a little nervous. That looks like I could die. They put a little straw in my mouth. Breathe from here.
We're gonna start off with the Coastal Citizen product. This is morning water.
Break
Check
it down
her
for me.
out. Okay, so morning water is amazing because I actually, like you, I don't like washing my face either. I feel like it just makes my sink really dirty. The cool thing about morning water is it cleans your face. It's gentle. It's not gonna like make your face all like stripped and feel like dry and gross.
Yeah.
You can use it at the gym, you know, after a surf. So morning water is good for, you know, not only in your own bathroom, but whenever you need to wash your face. We also use it with our bamboo terry rounds. You ever use like a cotton round?
Like a makeup remover
Yeah,
type
like
of thing?
a makeup,
No, I haven't.
Really? Never. I've used a lot of cotton rounds in my lifetime and they're actually super bad for the environment. So these are made of 100% bamboo.
Wow.
Super good for the environment.
How is that made out of bamboo?
Literally,
You know?
it's made out of bamboo versus cotton. Comes in a pack of 3. You can throw them in your washer dryer, scrunch them out, let them out to dry, and use them for the rest of your life. We're gonna take off your dirt and grime with the bamboo terry rounds.
Be gentle, Miss Skin.
I got you. So morning water just comes out like that. Super easy.
Oh, it feels really good.
Oh yeah. It's called morning water, but you can definitely use it at night or all throughout the day. You can take off your makeup with this. It works well for anything. When was the last time you like properly exfoliated?
Last time I went hiking, I rubbed mud on my face.
Ah, I like to do that.
It was good quality mud.
I like
Hawaiian mud.
Do you remember the one time, this is like years ago, randomly I was looking underneath your bed and you had a bottle of everyday lotion
Yeah.
under your bed and a 2006
Victoria's Secret lingerie magazine. I have a laptop.
Why 2006?
It's a great year.
You were like 12!
Anyways, I was using the lotion for my face because it was super dry and I was shopping for a friend.
Why are you sweating?
Now that we've prepped your skin with morning water, we can move on to a mask. Okay, we've got a nice like clay mask, you know, to suck out all the nastiness.
Okay, so that would be like mud.
I actually don't. We have a collagen firmer 2-step intensive. Which one do you want?
I kind of want the scary one.
You have really good skin.
Thank you.
So like KOA, I mean, I know the answer to this, but for other people that don't know you, how did you get into surfing?
I got into surfing when I was 3 years old. Growing up in Hawaii, there's not much to do. You dip in the water and then you get a boogie board and then you get a surfboard and the next thing you know, you're trying to catch the biggest waves you can. That's like the natural evolution of an island boy.
Island gal, freak from the island.
Oh, beard. I am Rubber Mink Man.
It looks nothing like what it's supposed to. I really.
It's a turkey mask.
How does it feel?
Feels very cooling.
I wonder if I can like throw it into position.
Hit me. Perfect.
Kind of perfect.
All right. What is this doing?
I don't really know.
Wow, my skin feels relaxed.
All right, now we're gonna massage it in. Doesn't seem that good for your skin. Should we take it off?
Yeah, I'm gonna wash this off.
Now Now we're gonna finish that off.
I feel really good.
You feel good?
Yeah.
Your skin feels clean.
Definitely.
It feels clean.
That's the word.
Right? We're gonna tone the skin.
My eyes were open. It doesn't hurt though. Okay.
Oh, what was your favorite memory of me?
The way we met is really funny. We met on Raya, and she's like, I want to come to Kauai. Like, can I come tomorrow?
That is not what happened.
Pretty much. No.
What happened was I was planning a Hawaii trip with my 2 friends. They are not adventurous. We're gonna go to like Oahu or something. And you're like, come to Kauai. And I was like, yeah, sure. Now we're gonna go in with the face oil. I always love when like facialists are like, you drink a lot of water?
I drink a lot of water. That's one of my biggest secrets.
If you don't wear sunscreen and you're surfing that much,
you'll toast yourself. You'll be a chip, bro.
Wow. Nice.
Watch out, women of LA. Koa's got a clean face.
Now we go in with the moisturizer. Did you ever struggle with like acne or anything?
Not intensely, because I'm naturally a pretty healthy person. As yourself, you tend to look at yourself very closely. You know, like you notice this little speck right here, and really like people are looking at your eyes. They're not just like, oh my God.
I used to struggle with acne a ton. I would have hormonal breakouts like every single month. What helped me was I stopped wearing a lot of makeup because I used to wear a lot of makeup to like cover it, and I like had to make this like tough decision. I'm gonna go the opposite direction. Let me heal my skin.
Yeah.
Leave it alone. Let it do its thing. Let it breathe. Don't try to cover it up. I've never had better skin. All right, we're going in with the snail eye mask.
What do I do? That feels really good.
Right?
It's very cold. Is this for bags?
Yeah, what kind of baggage are you carrying right now?
I keep having dreams that my hair is like long and I'm like putting my fingers through it. I can like kind of like push it back around. You ever thought about shaving your head?
Like I've definitely thought about it. Not like that I'm gonna do it, but like, you know, oh, what if? Like, what would I look like? Would I hate it?
I think it's just really brave when a woman shaves their head.
You think it's sexy?
Not really, but I think it's just like, I think it's bold of them.
All right, we're finishing off this beautiful skincare routine with some sunscreen.
What? Why are you putting sunscreen on me?
Because we have to protect you. You're
it's
in
like
the sun.
7 o'clock.
You're in the sun more than anyone I know. And since you don't wash your face, maybe this will still be on tomorrow.
Need some sunscreen from this light right here. It's so bright. That LED.
All right.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's it. That's
wow.
your facial.
I feel like I'm 18 again.
There you have it, Koa. How do you feel? You feel good?
Yeah, I feel really human.
You really opened the doors of skincare to me.
Yeah. I mean, your skin's already so nice. Like, if you just washed your face once a year. Here's some morning water. Wash your face.
Thank you for having me. Opening up my life to skincare.
Skincare has, like, changed my life.
And now you can do it sustainably, too. And while you're using this product, you're saving the fishies, the turtles, which is what we need to focus on right now.
Yes, and making conscious decisions when it comes to your skincare. Be sure to swipe up, shop Coastal Citizen, shop Morning Water, Bamboo Terry Towels, and follow Koa.
My Instagram's at KOA SMITH. My YouTube channel is The Smith Brothers. Follow our adventures. You might see Ava in one of them, or 2 of them, or 5, 6, 7 of them.
Yeah, I'm in a couple. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.
Bye.
La primera vez que te veía, supe que era la mujer para mí. Nunca tuve ni una duda, no. Y ahora vos tenés mi corazón. Dale, nena, contame lo que te gusta de mí. Dale, nena, mostrame lo que te hace feliz. Por fin.